Today we are going to learn about BIM 360. So that is a cloud platform. We will discuss more about that. Before that, let's know about the terminology that is BIM 360. So first of all, BIM, you already know about the acronym that is Building Information Modeling. Let's talk about the modeling first. So the modeling is all about a 3D model, not just a 2D drawing. Okay, so why the modeling 3D modeling 3D model is best for visualization purpose, that you can get all the view from any angle. You can uh, hide any particular component. You can get section. You can get all the things about your model, that will clear your perspective about what you are going to construct. And next is about information. So not only you create a model, but you also get all the information within the model and all the component of your construction. You get all the information there. You can see the component of any structural members, component of any architectural members, any plumbing members. You get all the information, and not only that, you also manage all the information. And next, about your building. So with this building term, you may have the idea about the building which you get in. So this is not about only a building or hospital. This is all about all the civil infrastructure or any kind of civil project. So the building term is a verb. So you are building the model which consists all the information related to the construction. And that is why uh, it is not only limited to building. It is totally for any civil infrastructure project, any building, hospital, any construction project. Now, this is the first term, BIM. And what is about 360? So we may guess that all the information is in the center, and the central model is in the center, and all the project stakeholders, project members can access uh, from all over the world, wherever they are, all around the world, they can access. So that's why BIM 360. So that it is a cloud platform. Uh, you know that this cloud platform is like a storage space in online. You can access with any internet connection you have. You don't need any storage or hard drive or any SSD. You don't need that. It will be stored in cloud, and anyone can access it from any time, or at the same time they can access it. They can see the same model at the same time from any part of the world. That's the best part about the cloud platform. Uh, and this platform has many tools, not only a single tool or any single purpose. This cloud BIM 360 platform has many tools for many purposes. So we will discuss about that, how we access BIM 360. So BIM 360 has four modules. BIM 360 as a cloud platform has four modules in it. So BIM, first of all, let's talk about the uh, BIM 360 docs. So that is the base layer of all the modules. You can have the idea. I will discuss about that. So BIM 360 docs has the major function that is about document management. What does that mean? Document management means you can store any type of file, any type of document, or any number of files. You can store them. It doesn't limit to any space. You can store up as per your limit. So you can store within that. So that is you can say a common repository for your project. So with this you can access all the project, any kind of project like PDF, Revit files. So this will be the cloud platform where you will store all your files, all your project files. So project files, a big project doesn't only have a single files. So it has, it consists more number of files. So while you are creating your project and all the files in a hurry, you can mess it up. So this will be the single repository where you will manage and organize all your project files. And next, talk about design collaboration. So BIM 360 design comes. So BIM 360 design is for designers who use Revit. So with this design option, you may guess that uh, we have more team members who can access that single Revit model with this BIM 360 design, and they can access it at the same time. So that's the best part of this BIM 360 design. But for big project, this is not the good idea that we access the same model at same time. We work at same time on the same model. That's not the good idea. So what do we do? That generally we do in small team, or all the different team members work separately for their models, and after, when they are ready, all the models are ready, they bring it up uh, for their collaboration. So that is about BIM 360 collaboration. And after that, the model coordination come into play. That, you know, we have all the members, like one team members uh, working for your architecture design, another one is for structural design, another is for mechanical plumbing design, electrical ducts. So one mechanical plumbing designer can be sure that the mechanical pipes and the mechanical members are not going through any structural members. Can can that mechanical designer be sure? So there is less chance to be sure for that. So then we need to check all the clashes within this members, structural members, or mechanical plumbing members. So for that, this model coordination, BIM 360 model coordination come into play. We will check that some members, some components, if they are occupying the same space or not. uh, we will check the clashes. So that is the best thing, that before checking the classes into field, before you check into your model, so that will be uh, less cost, that will take the less cost. So when we talk about the field, so then this BIM 360 build come into play for your construction project management, all the documents uh, related to your project, and sharing with all the stakeholders, and reporting to them, and any problems you find. So those things you can manage with BIM 360 build. So these are the modules about your BIM 360. And we also can create our own modules, or we can customize. So for that we have one API. So Autodesk has API not only for BIM 360, for each software. So for particularly BIM 360, we have Autodesk Forge. So with that, you can customize BIM 360. You can create your modules, your tools. You can create. So BIM 360 not only limited to these modules. BIM 360 can do anything. It's up to you how you customize with Autodesk Forge. So let's deep into this software. Better we say that this is the cloud platform. So so for that, how we can access, we have to switch into any browser, then there we have to type in. So let's go. Okay, so in any browser, you have to search for first BIM 360, and then go to this docs.b360.autodesk.com. Then next, let's talk about how you access, or all the team members can access your projects. So how we can do that? So first of all, go to your project admin, as because you are the admin, so you can allow your project members. So that also can be done with your BIM 360 Docs. You can allow permissions, you can manage permissions to the team members. In project, not all the team members have the permission to see all the part of your files, all the files, or to access all the files. So you can uh, manage your permissions to the particular members, that you can give access to them. So after going to this project admin, go to members. Then you can add all the members, go to add, and then according to their name and email address, you can search for them and you can add. All right. So this way you can add them. Okay. Or else you can search with their email address. All right. So this way you can add, and after that, you see, we also have created the company, and in that we also have members. So you can do that also. You can create companies, and in that you can add their members. So you see, these members are added, and you can specify their roles. All right. Okay. So let me add one, like okay, you can go to this and then select, and then you have to specify the company name, which is the company name, and what is his role or her role. Okay, and then you add to this project. Okay, and there you will see. All right, next you come to document. After adding your members, you come to the document, and in this file you want to give the access to that member. So select that folder, right click, and you have this permission option. So then you can give the permission to them. OK, so you can go to add, and there you can define like you can define the role wise also. So like in every time you define, or if you add any new member as a designer, so all the designers will have the access. So this way you can also add permission. So all the designer will have the permission. So not you don't have to permit each and every designer one by one. So this is the best part by assigning with them as according to their role, or else you can also go for the company. Okay, so see this company you have to select, and all the members of this company will have the access. All right. So here you see, now you have this model over there, and you double click on it, and you can view that Revit model. You can view that Revit model. You can view. Okay, so we have these options. You can pan this, you can zoom, you can fit to this view. You can be the first person to walk around, go up and down, and these things you can do. Okay, so like this, let's go to zoom window, zoom this. And you can walk around now. This way you can walk around also. Now you can create section analysis also. You can create the section view. Go for this. You want to add Y plane or X plane. So according to that, it will be added. There you see. If you want to add X plane, so that you can add. And if you want to rotate, you can rotate it as well. According to that, you will get. Now, if there is any point, any review you want to highlight, so that you can do as well. Like let's go to this place. And if you want to highlight with this, go to this cloud, and there you can highlight this one this way, or else you can highlight by freehand. and then add the text like you are telling to change the position. Okay, you can change these things. You can change the text color. Okay, and you save the markup. You save it. If you want to exit the markup view, you can exit. If you want to get the markup view again, go for this markup, and there you see this is the markup has been created. Okay, and you can go for this published, and this markup will be visible to all the project members, so you can make it published. All right, and if you want to edit it again, you can edit, and if you want to delete this, so you delete it. Okay, so this way we will access all the documents. So close this or close it from here, and again you got this. So how we upload our Revit files, so let's look into that. So let me save this file first. Now let me open that file. Okay, it's still being downloaded right now. Let me go to this file. Till then, all right. Okay, so after that, you go to collaborate tab, and then you go with this collaborate. Wait a minute. And then you go with this in BIM 360 document management. You are going to publish this for your collaboration and click OK. And then you see this will be the project location BIM 360, and this will be the file. and initiate within that, and there is no folder created. So let's go back to that. Let me create one folder within that. Okay, so next you go for this collaborate tab. And after that, go for this collaborate in cloud. You choose the project location and then you initiate it. Just let me check. Okay, so let me create one folder over there. Let me create one folder. And there you can go for this upload option and you choose the file name, and from there also you can upload this file. That's it. So your file will be uploaded and then you can assign as a new set. Okay, so you can give it a new set like this. This model is for architecture department or architecture team, so you can assign it as a set and issue date. Okay, you can assign it like today and you go for continue. That will be assigned and let it be uploaded. So once it is uploaded like this, so let me cancel, it will take much time. So in this folder, if you double click, this file will be there and you can access this file. If you select it, you can copy it, you can delete and you can download and you can see this has been updated. And if there is any markups there, you can have, you can see that this has a markup, so you have to double click in it and you have to see what is the markup available there. So this is the markup created and there will be all the details, so you can click on it and there you can see. So this was generally created normally. So if you have resolved it, after resolving it, you will delete this markup. So this is about your document management, and we also have the design collaborations. So that is for like having all the project from all the team members that you can have. So here you can see this is the project model. There is a project model, so there you can see this is the project model. All the things you can see. We have this sheets. Just wait. This is your sheet, and there you can have all the details. There is properties. Okay, so this you can access from. So this is one repository. So this is one data storage for your project. There you can find all the files, not only your project model, your sheets, your sets, if there is any sets, so that you can find out. And you can access it from here. And most of the things, most of the modules you have to purchase the license. So we only have document management and design collaboration. So that is our work. So for your build, that is you have to purchase that, and your coordination, BIM 360 coordination, that you have to also purchase for that. So that's how we will create. We can access anyone from all the team members. We will allow them on the permission. We will give them the permission, and they can access from anywhere. All the team members can access who have the permission to view your project, your model, your 2D sheets. All right, so if there is any schedule for your project, that is also visible here, okay, in this insight. So mostly we will work in document management to manage all the documents, and to give permission to add members, you will go to project admin, and there you can add your project members. You can create the companies there and the services you are providing. So according to that, you can manage everything. There you can see this model coordination is there for classes and for collaboration. These are there. So these things you have to activate. And then you can see this model coordination is right now available. Okay. Let it be loaded. So here you can add new team. All right. So use this as a default location. Continue. You can add a new team like for design collaboration, you have added this team. And if you go for this coordination, and there you can create coordination. So which one be the, let's choose this. Give it a name. And there it will be created, your model coordination. So this is how you will create one folder for all the coordination files for all the classes you are checking. That will be created to that. Go to create, and then this project files, if you choose this Revit model, this folder, and there you can keep it again like model coordination. That is created. Now go for the model coordination. Now wait for a minute, so it will calculate all the clashes. And there you can check all the classes. So this is there is no such model. Okay, so go for the classes, and there you can find classes. So there is no such model, so that's why I'm not getting anything. Let me delete. uh, Let me choose any other file like this file. Just wait for a minute. So for this also you have to give the access for model coordination. Go to services, and you activate this for your coordination. Now it is activated. go for this model coordination. And then you can again create your coordination spaces. Okay, so let me create. For this, let's create model coordination. This is the folder and create it. After specifying your coordination space, so this is the coordination space. If you want to deactivate that, you can deactivate it. So let's go back to model coordination. Go for classes. It will calculate the class result. So BIM 360 is one single platform where you can arrange all your documents, manage it, and with the help of collaboration, you can review, you can mark up, you can see all the project files. And with coordination, you can check all the classes, you can resolve them. And with the build, you manage and share all the construction project information with all the stakeholders. You solve problem. Just wait for a minute for the class result. So there it is. And if you go for these classes and so like let me select. So let me select with structural framing. All right, so there is no classes, so that's why I couldn't find out. So here you can see no classes by this model. All right, I have checked it. There is no such classes, so that's why you couldn't find out. And when there is such classes, you will find out with this collaboration and model coordination. Now let's close it. Okay, so with this model coordination, you will find out all your classes. So if you go to this classes with my models, so there you can find out. And there is no classes, this model, so there is no such classes. And if it is assigned any classes to resolve, so that you will find within this assigned. Okay, and there will be such particular view for that will be available here. And when it is assigned, you will find it within this assigned. Okay, so this way we will control our BIM 360 with model coordination, design collaboration, and document management to manage all your documents. So that is your the base layer, that is BIM 360 document management. All the files you can see, all the files are managed. Okay, like for your collaboration, all the files for your classes, all the files, it is managed with this document management. Okay, so that is all for today.